This essay example, as well as thousands of others, is available in text format on our website for free and without registration. Simply Google Ivy Panda Free Essays.
Geography and environment played a fundamental role in shaping the ancient civilization of Egypt. Several features, including physical surroundings and locational aspects, determined how the era ensued during the ancient days. In particular, the geographical factor of the River Nile, its position and accessibility alongside other features such as natural barriers shaped numerous aspects of development in the country. The River Nile had a significant impact on the nation's economic and developmental records. Notably, it enhanced the permanent supply of water for agricultural activities. Essentially, the river's floodplain ensured the sustainable renewal of soil fertility and self-sustenance, boosting surplus food products for the population's health. Additionally, during ancient times, the desert conditions prompted a culture of hard work as citizens labored for food both in the agricultural and mining sectors. Therefore, the presence of the River Nile proved to be instrumental in shaping the economic activities during this era, having made a significant contribution to Egyptian civilization by facilitating the development of agricultural, economic, and social organization of people. Importantly, the physical composition of the land and natural resources alongside artifacts of ancient Egypt had a substantial impact on the country's growth and development. There were numerous mineral deposits within the borders of the region which prompted the desire for infrastructural and economic improvements. Such components included building stones, gold, turquoise, copper, and other minerals. The locals had a unique lifestyle and utilized the common building stones to reshape the community settlements. Egyptians also began to understand the value of such natural resources and the contribution they made to the country's development. Thus, the economy's infrastructural sector encountered a significant boost as people started making use of the value of natural resources found within their territory. Although Egyptians used some of these materials in jewelry, the possessions played a crucial part in refining the area. Egypt enjoyed self-sufficiency and isolation within the African context as it had a rich culture of trade and international relations. Mesopotamia became one of the most influential partners in the emergence of the nation as a vibrant economy. In particular, it greatly influenced art by sharing knowledge on metallurgy, architecture, brickmaking, and potter's wheel, which became the state's primary technical mechanisms. Furthermore, neighborhoods such as Lebanon also promoted state change in the nation because they traded in timber products to facilitate infrastructural advancement. Concurrently, Egyptians had a strong military background, fighting and protecting natural resources from encroachers. Primarily, the military conquests were majorly focused on securing important material wealth. Egypt had a strategic geographical position to trade with its African neighbors, build on its industries and utilize its military status to be a civilized state. To conclude, the ancient Egyptian advancement premises from the River Nile and its religious, political and scientific technology development ties since its floodplain was the primary contributor to the country's economy's evidential growth. Importantly, it served animals and the human population with rich sources of nutrition. At the same time, the identification and utilization of natural resources enhanced the move to modern structures and resulted in the establishment of ties with global economies. Local aesthetic identity and the physical location promoted the realization of a conceptual development strategy. Thus, the country's natural resources and the entire space in the region helped the ancient government to build a magnificent civilization. Ideally, one would note that there were no standalone influences in Egypt's evolution. Social, political, economic, and environmental factors integrated to boost the growth of this nation in unique perspectives. If you want to find more works like this essay on environmental factors in the emergence of the Egyptian civilization, head over to ivypanda.com. It has a collection of free samples with thousands of submissions covering virtually all academic subjects. No registration required to access it.